So here's for a simple infusion. And if you have an object like this one, where you can put the tea in here and pour in the water over, it will be the perfect one. But you can simply throw it into a cup and then you will filter it out later. The kettle is ready, it's just boiled up, and I'm gonna fill this up with calendula, calendula officinalis, for example, which is nice and warming and very good for the digestive system. So there we go. Calendula has quite a volume, and so you can fill up very soon the teapot, but you can squash it a little and fit a little bit more. And then you pour this over. And you see that you gain a lot of space, so you can even put a little bit more, you know that. But how much do you put? If it is a strong medicine that you want to put at least 8 grams and do an infusion of 500 mils. Less than that, it's nice, but it's not really medicinal, so you want it quite strong. Sometimes with you, if you do infusion and then you leave it overnight, even 10 grams will be very powerful. What is important to know is some of the herbs that have volatile oils, in particular chamomile, you want to close the lid, because all the volatile oil will come out with the steam and you don't want to lose them. You want to hit the lid and come back in. In the case of calendula, it's not that essential, but for chamomile, lavender, or herbs are very aromatic, it's very important. And that's it. So you leave it for 5 minutes and the tea is ready.